Tell us about yourself.
My name is Subin Joe Jacob. I'm a Master of Engineering student at the University of Wollongong. I completed my bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication in India, St. Kitts College of Engineering, and I have also worked as an electronics engineering intern in Kelatron, which was in India. So my role was testing and validation of electrical complex industrial equipments and also discrete electronic components. And I also have to deal with optimizing the input output values of the sonar system and the validations and testing of those components. And also I had to study the technical aspects of each components used over there, such as sonar, pneumatical actuators, and all those discrete electronic components. And I had to submit a detailed report about the values and testing and validation values, and the input output optimizations which I have done, and the best outcomes and the performance and efficiency of each components used over there. So these were the different aspects, and these were the different roles which I was assigned, and these were the different tasks, and I was able to complete all of it successfully, and I was very much appreciated for the work I have done.
Can you describe a time when you had to work in a diverse team? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them?
In university, we are supposed to work in a very diverse team, such as we have to deal with people from different backgrounds. There were people from different cultural backgrounds. There were people with different skills. There were people with different aspects, studying different things. The university. So in a team, like in my subjects, we were given a common subject such as based on the battery storage. So the project was purely based on electrical, but we had people from different backgrounds and different cultures and different skills and experiences. So in that project, I was assigned as the team manager, the team leader. So as a team leader, what I did is I asked them, what are you good at? What each person's skills are, what are the different skills they possess, and what are they good at. So everybody came up with different things. Some were good at management skills, they had very good technical knowledge in electrical engineering. Some people have very good communication skills, and some people have very good at grammatical things and writing reports and things like that. So based on the different analysis that I have done, and we did a detailed planning, organization, and planning in group. And as a group, we came up with different ideas and things like that. So each suggestions and each skills were based on the different skills which they possessed. So we as a team integrated all those skills together in our report and presentation, and we came up with a very good project out of it. So some were good at cost analysis, so they did the cost analysis part. Some were good at electrical engineering part, so they did the electrical engineering part. So me as an electrical engineer contributed to the technical aspects and comparison of different batteries that were available. So we as a team came up with a very good project and a very good presentation, and we were very appreciated by the professor for the work we have done, and which the result was like we got a very high marks for that project, and we were able to complete it within the time frame. So we understood that proper planning, organization, and scheduling makes our team a really good work, and came up with a really good outcome for that project.
Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical competence to solve a problem which resulted in a positive or productive outcome?
So when I was working in India as an electronics engineer, I was given the task to create a remote dashboard based on the different sensor industrial and electronics equipment that were used over there. So for this purpose, I used the technical knowledge which I have learned during my bachelor's degree. So in my bachelor's, my project was based on automation irrigation system. So there I used all the sensor values. I collected all the sensor values from these plants and things like that, and I transferred it to a dashboard through the Raspberry Pi and the IoT. So this was the technology which I was used in my project. I used the same concept for solving the industrial problem which was given to me. So there I integrated the Raspberry Pi with an industrial GSM modem, which was available with antennas and things like that. I took the values from the industrial sensor values to the Raspberry Pi through wired circuits, and I transferred these values to the dashboard called the ThinkSpeak wirelessly using the IoT. So this was the same concept which I have learned during my project I have used in the industrial equipment for the industrial project as well. So I was very appreciated for my work because I didn't have to spend a single money for the dashboard which I have used. It was an open source program. So the database and everything was free. And so I was able to complete my task without spending a single money. And I was able to create a very good dashboard, and I was able to show them the required task which was assigned to me within a very limited time frame. So because of the technical skill that I have possessed during my engineering, I was able to solve the industrial level project which was assigned to me. So that was how I completed my task.
Finally, do you have any questions for us?
Yes, I have read and understood all the technical skills and management skills which have needed for the position. So, in your opinion, what is the most important and the significant skill a graduate electrical engineer should possess? And also, I would like to ask, what are the different goals I should set as an electrical engineer for the development of my career so that I can grow fast? And what are the different aspects that you look in an electrical engineer? Thank you.